Okay, so right now we're at Kroger and there's a bunch of fun little samples, so that's what we're doing right now. And they have these adorables. I'll put a photo in of the pumpkin spice lattes. They have a bunch of like little mini ones and they're very cute. And we had like little tacos. What else have we had? We had a cake sample as well. So we're just going around the store and doing little mini mukbangs basically with all the different samples. So yay! Alright, try it and tell me what you think. What do you think? That's good? Try it.
Green
Try
sauce
it.
is banana pepper.
Mine does not have anything on it, just
Well, yeah,
meat.
you can't, yeah. Is it good? It's good. Okay, I'm gonna try it now.
Green sauce? That's really good.
I like the green sauce.
I think we're on the way.
Alright.
Is it okay if I stop recording or do I?
Chocolate chip. And I got this one with like butterscotch, I think, in it, what you said. And it's very good. Very buttery. What are you doing? No.
Pork beef, made in Brenham, country sausage. This is the only one that's spicy. Right?
I think I'm gonna get
Pork
this.
and venison, pico de gallo, pork and beef that's made in Brenham.
So I'm gonna try this one. It's not a pretzel, it's just mine. We have a giant cheek of food now. Our Nana is wandering off without us. It's fine. That's good. Lila, do you like them? Yes. Well, he's my friend. Are you gonna say? No, you're fine. You're fine. I'll just stand. His face is so cute. So yeah, that was the video, guys. This is like several days later and I never filmed an outro. So thank y'all guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, prove it by liking down below. And if you didn't like it, just don't do anything, okay? Subscribe and share with friends. Road to 100, baby. We are very close to 90, which means we only have a little over 10 left to go. So please, please, please subscribe and share with friends. Also ring the bell icon if you want to get notified of when I upload. And as freaking always, I freaking love ya. Ruby, say I love you. I love you. No, you're supposed to do that to the camera. Look at the camera. Don't lick my hand.